first quarter. Medyo nag-a-adjust pa. Itong Glenn Royce na dito. As Orin low. Katakutan double team. Katakutan. Oh, wala. Nitong RJT back in the elimination round. One dribble, three from the sideline. Off the bounce. Has it. Drives. Katakutan all the way. Second try for Katakutan. That is good move on the spin. Drop pass to Yosinko, and Yosinko. One more for Katakutan. That is the ball inside to Katakutan. Orin, and it's good. That was just a phrase sa social media. Free ball from Alsola or from Peteros rather.